Warehouse and distribution center design is a fascinating and absorbing topic, but is often misunderstood. Regretfully, few people really understand the discipline of warehouse design, and as a result, there are literally thousands of facilities that are underperforming. To assist designers, this topic will outline the 7 key principles that apply to warehouse and distribution center design. One warning before we begin. The principles won't make you into a seasoned designer, but they will help you understand the salient aspects of the design task. The first principle ranked at top of the list. The first step must involve defining the objectives and goals of the facility. What is it there for? What market does it service? Is it part of a network? What types of goods will be stored? To press the point, it is useful to write the objectives down so that all associated parties remain cognizant of the expected outcome, especially if timing, budget or resource issues during the project life tempt stakeholders to compromise operational or design goals. The second principle, a famous British physician, Dr. Thomas Fuller, once said, "Get the facts, or the facts will get you. And when you get them right, or they will get you wrong." Quite simply, the facts needed are: first, quantities of products to be. Second, the throughput velocities, including incoming goods, customer orders, inter-facility transfers, dispatches. Third, the nature of orders and specific picking requirements. Is picking performed in containers, pallets, cartons, inners, or single units? Lastly, what functions need to be provided for? It's imperative that the designer understands all of the functions that are to be included on the site footprint, like warehouse, offices, gantry cranes, or loading docks. Equally important is that relative dependencies between functions are determined so that the designer can correctly frame functional proximities. Third, once the data has been analyzed, the designer is ready for equipment selection. All equipment and systems must be applied according to their purpose, limitations and fit with the volumes handled. Fourth, a skillful designer apply 2 immutable laws of flow. Either one-way flow. The best warehouse operations are those that apply this. Whether straight, clockwise, counterclockwise, up or down, make sure it flows in a one-way direction. Or flow versus capacity. A free movement has priority over storage capacity. Fifth principle, a simple rule that says it all. Keep the product handling by people to a minimum. Ideally from 3 to 5 touches of the product while goods are in the warehouse. Sixth, 2 common approaches to assessment are, quantitative analysis, the return on investment, payback, cost per order to supply, cost per cubic meter to name just a few, and qualitative analysis, reviewing the advantages and disadvantages of options considered. Lastly, as part of the development process, all should be regularly consulted as to planning and legal requirements, operational needs, preferences, ideas and opinions. The best implementations typically feature a cohesive and dedicated team charged with managing the project, from early design phases through to completion. So, that's your 7 design principles. Hope you like and subscribe to Logistics Bureau and have a nice day.